Hey guys, today we're gonna make roasted bacon Brussels sprouts. Very easy dish with only 5 ingredients. Let's get started. So what we have here are some Brussels sprouts. And we'll cut them in half, cut up the bacon, throw in some other additional ingredients, and then roast it. So let's go. I like to take off a couple of the outer leaves as well. They're a little bit bitter, but don't throw them away. You can actually deep fry them and get Brussels sprout chips. So we're gonna turn them all flat side down. So then they'll get crispy from the bottom of the pan. So we're gonna add the ingredients to this. First, some olive oil. We'll add some salt and pepper and chili flakes. But the best part is the bacon. So we'll dice this up and then I'm gonna spread it on top. All that bacon deliciousness will drip down into the Brussels sprouts. So let's stick it in the oven. So this just came out of the oven. You can see that the Brussels sprouts are done. They're nice and caramelized and crispy. The bacon is crispy, and we'll just finish it off with a little maple syrup and a squeeze of lemon and some flaky salt. Voila, 5 ingredient roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. Delicious.